Alright, as we continue in Notes Lesson 2.6 extension, let's focus in on writing equations of perpendicular lines. So here is the second example, example number 2. If you were asked to write the equation of a line, running perpendicular to y equals 5x minus 2 and passing through the point 15, negative 2. Okay, so again, we're trying to write an equation of a line. We're going to write it in slope-intercept form. This time, though, it's going to be perpendicular to another line and passing through this point. So again, let's picture this, a real rough picture here. So let's just get an idea of what we're doing. So this line is running uphill. It has a slope of 5, and its y-intercept is negative 2. So it's passing through negative 2, so maybe right around down here, and it's going uphill, up 5 over 1. So it's pretty steep. So that's a rough sketch of this line. Now the line we want, I'm going to draw in red, the line we want is perpendicular to this line, and it's going through the point 15, negative 2. So 15, negative 2 would be forward 15, down 2, maybe here, and it's going to be perpendicular to that black line, so maybe it's going to run about like that. Okay, so we have our point 15, negative 2, and they're perpendicular. Now this black line has a slope of 5, right? Slope of positive 5. So the black line has a slope of 5. And the red line, since the red line and the black line are perpendicular, then the red line has to have a slope of the opposite, the negative reciprocal, opposite reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 5 is 1/5. And since this one's positive, this one needs to be negative. Alright, so right there, that's enough information for us to write an equation of the red line. So I need to go to the next page, and here we go. Our slope was negative 1/5, and the point we need is 15, negative 2. So we can use what I taught you yesterday. Alright, here we go. Y equals mx plus b. We're going to plug in. Here is an x and a y, because it's an ordered pair. And here's my m. Here's my slope. So y is negative 2 equals m is negative 1/5 times x is 15, plus b. Okay, do your math, do your multiplication here. Negative 1/5 times 15, that's going to equal negative 3. So negative 2 equals negative 3 plus b. Add 3 to both sides, and you get 1 equals b, and that's enough information. I have my slope, and remember that slope, since it was perpendicular to the other line, I had to take the reciprocal and make it the opposite sign. And I just figured out my y-intercept, so I can put those together, and it's going to be y equals mx plus b. And that's it. That's a perpendicular line to the other one. All right, I hope this is helpful. If you have questions, please ask. Good luck.